Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 8, How to Attract Money. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy reveals how the subconscious mind can help you attract wealth. He teaches us that money is an idea in the mind. It's not just about working harder, it's about changing your mindset. If you constantly think, "I can't afford this," your subconscious accepts that belief and keeps you from opportunities. But if you believe, money flows easily, to me, your subconscious will find ways to attract wealth. Dr. Murphy gives a practical technique. Every day, repeat to yourself, "I am open to receiving wealth." Feel it deeply. Imagine money flowing to you from various sources. As you program your subconscious, you'll start noticing new opportunities, ideas, and actions that move you toward financial abundance. The key takeaway: your subconscious mind is a magnet for whatever you focus on. Focus on wealth, abundance, and prosperity, and watch your life change. That's it for Chapter 8. In the next chapter, we'll dive into how to overcome obstacles using the power of your subconscious mind. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for the next life-changing chapter.